see what we have for the piggies. Got some lettuce, peppers, cucumbers out the ass. We got 2 more upstairs. And in here we got some farm fresh corn and some carrot. Lots and lots of carrot. Nice big boys. Completely turned into a piggy factory. The vitamin C. My liquid diet is chocolate milk.